What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing? Writing your name? Oh, I see it now. Why are you doing that?
What?
Why are you doing that? Your pants are soaked.
I don't know. So the helicopters can see it.
So the helicopters can see it?
Yeah.
I thought you were going to come over in a helicopter. Terry, oh, I thought you were going to come over in that.
Yeah. He was taking a nap.
Oh, I'm sorry. Instead, we had to almost die.
Yeah.
I hear a woodpecker. Did you hear it? The word pecker's really funny. Maybe you just about fell.